Hello everyone, my name is Mivitra Super. My metric number is 10DLS20F2042. Today I am here to talk about process and procedures air freight works. Let me explain how air freight works. Firstly, buyer need to request quotes. I would like to talk to our overseas suppliers and ensure they comply with air transport requirements. Secondly, buyer order our products. Air freight is two-way transition, so we all need to get supplier on about air freight the transport of choice. For select these right suppliers, such as do your market research to find the best suppliers out of their business. Dedicate one Encode term. The Encode terms are the international terms groaning the risk to odds shipments. Engage the freight forwarders. Your freight forwarders can directly to ship out supplier provide the documents. Yes, unfortunately the shipping is a lot documentation and the air freight is not inspection. Thirdly, buyer need to understood the impact of air freight before you sign any documentation on how air freight works and the impacts of using air freight on transport their cargo. This include doing research into. Next, the documents need to prepared by the suppliers. A suppliers will prepare a packaging list which will be all the information regarding the freight begins transported, include information such as contact details of the exporter and buyer and how the goods are packed, certificate of origin shipping or letter of instruction manufacturer declaration dangerous good forms. Fifth is supplier will pack cargo. Speak to your forwarder about the description applicable of the aircraft. The cargo obviously need to fit in the aircraft with available for X-ray and copy different service. There are many available options to motive air freight around the world. This was significantly impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic, which was many business to adopt and think you to transport across the world as air freight options become limited. After that, freight will be booked by importer. Choose the right route. Usually you can choose between different airlines, often different route and transit time. Think it before booking a flight for yourself. You all need to make sure the route is correct and you offer the best price and transit time too. Furthermore, shipment will be arranged by freight forwarder. Once your cargo is packed in and your freight is booked, it's time for you freight forwarder to arrange your shipment. Communicant invoice one of the most important documents in shipping. Communicant invoice on the items being purchased from whom and the terms and conditions between buyer and seller. The packing list shows the details of cargo, including how it's packed dangerous goods from the supplier's shipping. Shipping goods classified by the International Air Transport, which is IATA International Maritime Organization. In addition, cargo will place in transit on available. Our cargo will move to many stages. Following this, when the cargo terminal operate, CTO is under customer to ensure the security of the cargo terminal and goods subject to custom control. Finally, goods are transported from the airport to the buyer. Once goods are custom, the clearance and the transport operate will collect the cargo handling into our final destination. Now I'm going to talk about ensure safety equipment is used at all the times. Employees should be aware of emergency exits and the sprinklers installed in the roof should be blocked at any time. Safety equipment is implemented in order to minimize workplace injury, so although it may be time consuming to initiate its use, it does pay off in the long run. Then eliminate any potential safety hazards. It is important that the safety check is carried out on a regular basis by all employees and that the floor is always free of stray cords, liquids and any other potential hazardous items. It is also essential that any cracks and pits in the flooring are attended to as these can cause serious injuries to employees as well as damaging expensive machineries. Now I am going to explain about clearly labeled designed hazardous zone. Dangerous equipment should be stored away in an area that is clearly labeled and safe walkways should be highlighted through necessary signage. The easiest way to eliminate hazardous zones is by using tape or painting black and white stripes on the floor of the designed area. Finally, I'm going to explain about provide training and refresher courses. Ensure all staff are educated and up to date with knowledge about safe practices within workplace. This allows for greater adherence to procedures as staff members will be completely aware of these consequences that can emanate from an unsafe workplace. Accidents most commonly occur when corners are cut in an attempt to save time. That's all from me, thank you.